Since the 1940s, the growth rate of America's productivity index for non-farm related businesses has had an average increase of 2.1% annually. Now, from 2007 to 2019, the construction industry's productivity index has had an average decline of 1.4% for single family and 1.7% for multifamily. Even with an average increase of 1.5% between 2019 and 2022, the productivity index for construction is down a total of 12% since the 1980s. Why can't we be more productive? Well, maybe because we keep doing the same shiitake we've been doing for 35 years. I've discovered a hard copy printing industry study that claims that between 10 and 30% of all building project costs can be attributed to wasted activities, such as schedule overruns, wasted labor and management time, wasted materials, and unnecessary litigation. Oh, and there's those pesky change orders caused by some of those above. In 2009, the U.S. Department of Commerce valued a 10% waste factor, which based on building estimates equals approximately $94 billion. That's $171 billion in today's dollars, by the way. And this information reveals tremendous waste reduction and productivity improvement opportunities exist in the housing industry. And there's one very simple opportunity that you can take advantage of that can position you as a hero to your clients and the builders that they hire. In 2010, Lyra Research, which has since been acquired, published this white paper, Color Construction Documents, a Simple Way to Reduce Costs. Now, in their day, Lyra was the leading publisher and researcher serving the hard copy industry. They're kind of like how Hanley Wood used to be in our industry. Sponsored by OSE North America, which is still around, this white paper examines how advanced technologies, particularly color computer-aided design printing, deliver significant cost reduction opportunities and greater productivity and profit for traditional design, bid, build projects. The paper also details the benefits of applying color construction documents to the design, bid, build process, including how each incremental dollar invested in color printing can yield $4 in savings. Yes, that's a 4-to-1 ratio. In recent years, in the American Residential Design Awards, the working drawing category, I've noticed more of the winning entries utilizing 3D detail drawings, in addition to the 3D renderings that they've already been providing. But now I'm starting to see a touch of color. In fact, 2 of our 6 winners this year included a slight touch of it. This example from one of our Grand Arta winners displays a great example of both 3D and color. Now here's another example of how shading effectively shows depth in an elevation. The shading has been an option for us for quite a while, but look at this example where the notations are in color. Make a difference? Now here's one more example. A 2D interior elevation, all in black and white on the left, and on the right, an interior elevation with a touch of shading and the notes in color. What do you think of that? Now, printing color construction drawings versus black and white costs about 3 times more, and I know how hard it can be to upsell a client. But having a copy of the research study that I found might help you convince them that for every $1 invested, they might avoid $4 in fudge factors during bidding and cost overruns during construction. And if you outsource your wide format printing, you might be charging a markup for that service. And the more people spend on printing through you with the markup, the more money you can make, right? No, you won't get rich off of it. But then again, how do you make a small fortune in architecture? You start with a big fortune. Get a copy of the report by logging into your account at aibd.org/hub. Then look for the Articles and Resources button in the left-hand margin. Now, this study says that color printing can enhance the readability, clarity, and communication of complex information, improve the design process and collaboration, and increase the efficiency and productivity of the construction operations. A contractor in California saved thousands by using color drawings to avoid a mistake in installing a sprinkler system. A firm in Texas increased its proposal win rate by 30% by using color plans to showcase its capabilities and differentiate itself from its competitors. Color printing is a simple and powerful solution for improving construction performance and quality. Well, what do you think of color printing? Have you used it for your projects? What challenges or benefits have you encountered? I'd really like to dig into this more and would love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment below or send me an email with your feedback. Thanks for watching this entire video and have a triumphant week.